Navy Agniveer SSR Science PYQ 25 questions. Question number 1. The dimension of Planck constant are same as those of energy, power, angular frequency, angular momentum. The correct option is angular momentum. Question number 2. A tennis ball is thrown straight up and caught at the same height. Which of the following can describe the motion of the ball when it reaches the apex? Option A. The velocity of ball is 0. Option B. The acceleration of the ball is 0. Option C. The acceleration of ball is 9.8 meter per second square up. Option D. None of these. Correct option is A. The velocity of ball is 0. Question number 3. An object moving at constant velocity in an initial frame must: Option A. Have a net force acting on it, have zero net force acting on it, not have any force of gravity on it, stop after some time due to gravity. The correct option is option B. Have zero net force acting on it. Question number 4. If a body of mass 3 kg is dropped from the height of 1 meter, the kinetic energy of the body will when it touches the ground. Option A 29.4 Newton. Option B 29.4 Joule. Option C 150 Newton. Option D 150 Joule. The correct option is option B 29.4 Joule. Let's move to question number 5. A body of mass 50 kg is standing on a weighing machine placed on the floor of a lift. The machine reads its weight in a Newton. What is the reading of the machine when if the lift is moving downward with a uniform acceleration of 5 meter per second square? Option A 240 Newton. Option B 480 Newton. Option C 720 Newton. Option D none of these. The correct option is option number A 240 Newton. Question number 6. A water film is made between two straight parallel wires of length 10 cm each and at a distance of 0.5 cm from each other. If the distance between the wire is increased by 1 mm, how much work will be done? Surface tension of water is 72 dynes per centimeter. Option A 288 ergs. Option B 72 ergs. Option C 144 ergs. Option D 216 ergs. The correct option will be option C 144 ergs. Ergs is a unit of energy in CGS unit. Question number 7. In the case of diatomic molecules, the ratio of the two specific heat of gas Cp by Cv is: Option A 1.66, Option B 1.40, Option C 1.33, Option D 1.00. The correct option will be option B 1.40. Let's move to question number 8. A body has same temperature as that of the surrounding. The ratio of radiation emitted and radiation received from the surrounding is: Option A 0, Option B 1, Option C infinity, Option D none of these. The correct option will be option B 1. Let's move to question number 9. Which of the following will not show the change in the time period when they are taken to moon? Option A simple pendulum, Option B physical pendulum, Option C torsional pendulum, Option D none of these. The correct answer will be option C torsional pendulum. Question number 10. If a wave frequency doubles and its speed stay constant, its wavelength is option A half, option B also doubled, option C unchanged, option D 4 times. The correct option will be option A. It become half. Question number 11. A hollow metal sphere of radius 10 cm is charged such that the potential on its surface is 80 volt. The potential at the center of the sphere is option A 0, option B 80 volt, option C 800 volt, option D 8 volt. The correct option is option B 80 volt. Question number 12. If an electric current is passed through a nerve, the man begins to option A laugh, option B weep, option C excited, option D none of these. The correct option is option C. It begins to excited. Question number 13. When a charged particle enters a uniform magnetic field, the kinetic energy is option A constant, option B increases, option C decreases, option D becomes 0. The correct answer is option A. It becomes constant. Question number 14. Current in a circuit is wattless if option A current is alternating, option B resistance is 0, option C induction is 0, option D resistance and inductance both is 0. The correct option is option number B, resistance is 0. Let's move to question number 15. A plant with green leaves placed in red light will appear black, green, red, violet. The correct option is it becomes black. It not become black, it's appear to like a black. Question number 16. A water droplets is divided into 8 equal droplets. The pressure difference between the inner and outer side of the big drop will be option number A same as that for a smaller droplet, option B 1 by 2 of that for a smaller droplet, option C 1 by 4 of that for a smaller droplet, option D twice of that for a smaller droplet. The correct option will be option B 1 by 2 of that for a smaller droplet. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a mode of radioactive decay? Option A positron emission, option B electron capture, option C fusion, option D alpha decay. The correct option is option C fusion. Question number 18. Temporary hardness of water is due to the presence of option number A calcium sulfate, option number B calcium bicarbonate, option number C magnesium sulfate, option number D calcium chloride. The correct option is option number B calcium bicarbonate. Question number 19. What is the number of hydrogen atom present in the hydrocarbon formed by the hydrogenation of ethylene? Option number A 4, option number B 6, option number C 8, option number D 2. The correct option is option number B 6. Question number 20. Primary chemical reaction during enzymatic digestion is A electrolysis, B hydrolysis, C lipolysis, D. Condensation. The correct option is option number B. It becomes hydrolysis. Question number 21. Which gland in the human body is called the master gland? Option number A. Pancreas. Option number B. Thyroid. Option number C. Pituitary. Option number D. Spleen. Correct option is option number C. Pituitary. Question number 22. The program that translates mnemonic statement into executable instruction is option number A. Software. Option number B. Assembler. Option number C. Translator. Option number D. None of these. The correct option is option number B. Assembler. Let's move to question number 23. Which of the following is a physical change? Option A. Burning of cooking gas. Option B. Solidification of milk. Option C. Dissolution of sugar into water. Option D. Digestion of food. The correct option is option number C. Dissolution of sugar into water. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? Option A. Liver. Option B. Pancreas. Option C. Kidney. Option D. Heart. The correct option is option number B. Pancreas. The last of this question number 25. SI unit of electric current is A. Volt. B. Ohm. C. Ampere. D. Watt. The correct option is option number C. Ampere. Thank you.